Toyota just dropped its first all-electric three-row crossover, and you are not going to believe what it's called. This is actually the all-new 2027 Toyota Highlander, which means that, yes, the standard gas-powered Highlander is dead. Now you just have your choice between this all-electric three-row Highlander and the existing gas-powered Grand Highlander that remains both popular and still in production. Dimensionally compared to the outgoing Highlander and the existing three-row Grand Highlander, it slots right between both. This is, of course, to make room for a third row, which you can see does fit a full-sized adult. You're probably not going to be using that third row every day, so put that row down and boom, tons of cargo room. Power and performance? Don't worry. More than enough to haul the whole family around town. You can have it with either a single front motor or with dual motors for a max of 338 horsepower. Range spans between a very usable 270 and 320 miles, which at this point is still an official estimate. You are going to spend way more time inside than out, and I'm pleased to report that inside it is a refreshing departure away from the existing cockpit design language of Toyota's all-electric BZ crossover lineup. Tech callouts include a 12.3-inch digital driver's display and a 14-inch center infotainment that, yes, does include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is huge. Literally, the all-new 2027 Toyota Highlander is proof that Toyota is finally taking its EV lineup seriously. Oh hey, if you like this up close, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more content coming your way and we don't want you to miss out.